Okay, students, now we will take rest paragraphs. The next was that if you don't cut his food right now and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Mrs. Pampray wrung her hands. Oh, I will. But Mr. Harriet, I'm sure you are right. But it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off, head down, along the road, as if determined to put the new regime into a practice immediately. I watched their progress with growing concern. As we have seen that the doctor has advised Mrs. Pampray to take the dog for exercise and reduce his diet. The lady agrees and she says that since he was a veterinary doctor, the doctor was in a panic regarding the health of Tricky. He told Mrs. Pampray to reduce the amount of food given to him and take him for a exercise. He said that you must take Tricky for more exercise to make him fit. The doctor told her to be little bit strict with the dog. And it was very difficult for Mrs. Pampray because she loves the dog too much. The lady became worried. Mrs. Pampray wrung her hands means she became worried about her pet dog Tricky. But she promised the doctor that okay, I'll manage and I will try to give him less food and more exercise. Now she was put to new regime. Regime means daily routine. She says that I will follow a new routine. In that new routine, what she followed? Giving him more exercise and less food. Next para. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. I thought it won't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pampray. The expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pampray was distraught. Now, the health issue with Tricky started becoming worse. He was tottering means he was unable to walk. And this is the description of the world in which the Tricky was living. Mrs. Pampray has given different kind of clothes for different season for Tricky. She had tweed coat. Tweed means woolen coats, and her wardrobe consists of different kinds of coat according to the weather. And the doctor was worried because he knew that Tricky is struggling. Drooping means his health is decreasing. Drooping means decreasing, and harness means to control. So he knew that the dog is going to suffer a lot, and immediately I am going to get a call from Mrs. Pampray. And as usual, the same thing happened. He got a call from Mrs. Pampray. Next para. Tricky would not eat anything, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides he had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on a rug panting. Didn't want to go for walks, didn't want to do anything. I had made my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. The poor lady at most swooned. He knew that the dog was struggling to walk to control his body. When the doctor looked at the condition of the dog, he immediately understood that the lady will call him, and he got a call. And after that, the situation of the dog was becoming worse. Doctor understood that Mrs. Pampray's love and care should be broken. He thought that the only treatment for the dog was to get him out of Mrs. Pampray's care. He told Mrs. Famfrey that you must hospitalize the dog for a fortnight. Fortnight means for near about 2 weeks. And when she heard, she swooned. Swoon means she became unconscious. She fainted. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. But I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill, and this was the only way to save him. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Famfrey's wailing, I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. Doctor says that when Mrs. Famfrey heard this news, she started wailing, means she started crying, because she didn't want to part with the dog. And she knew that he would pine and die, means he would definitely feel sad. His emotions will become sad if he did not see her every day. The lady thought that if the dog is not going to meet with me daily, definitely he would die. And rest part we will do in the next video.